fish on. Chucked it into that crevice over there and got another fish. No one falls prey to the crankbait. Jumping around like mental. Hello everyone, and welcome to my first BFS video. Yeah, so I watched a ginger fisherman video. Yeah, I have to say I'm a big fan. I've got to give it to him. He catches fish, and he left a link in the description for one of these rods, which is a Solomon 2 Histar rod. So it's not going to be like a review video because I've never done this before, so I've got nothing to compare it to. But yeah, it's a new rod day, so I'm excited to take this out. It looks amazing. I'll show you now all the specs. So this is the setup I'm using today. So I've got the what's it called again? The GIU bait finesse system bait caster on there. Couldn't have described that any worse. I've got my new Histar rod, so this is 1 to 8 gram. I put a little spinnerbait on here because well, I was chucking the spinner out with the system I made the last time, and this worked well. And then yeah, just a little quick clip with some sick fluorocarbon, 6 pound, just light. And yeah, that's about it. Let's see if we can get something on with that. And yeah, I wanted to give this a go because I kind of made a BFS rod the other day. I just got a light spinning rod and I put a bait caster on it. That's pretty much all it was, but I had a really good day. I caught a grayling. Here it is. Yeah, I caught that grayling, and then I had like 8 fish on after that. I banked like 2, but I didn't really record anything. It was just a day out fishing for me and experimenting, and it went really well, so I went out and bought this. So without further ado, let's get out there, see if we can catch some trout on a BFS setup, ultralight. Yeah, so I caught the grayling. It was sat in them like fast flowing bits there, but the trout were also in there, and I had a clonker on and I lost it unfortunately. But yeah, it seems to be hiding in the fast flowing bits. I brought my waders with me this time because it is very overgrown, and even with a setup like this, you're quite limited to what you can cast. But I've never cast with this rod before, so let's see what it can do. I think that seems on. I've never heard one with clicky drag before. I don't know if they're all supposed to have that, or mine's just a bit naff. So oh my god, that goes like the clappers. I was not expecting how far it would chuck that out. That's unreal. Oh my god. Yeah, that move's amazing as well. Oh my god, that is a game changer. So I've crushed the barbs, I've got a little spinnerbait on, but wow. Let's get more in the middle. Oh no, trout will dive under that. Crap. Right, the fishing gods have spoken, and that tree ate my lure, so changed this to a true and tested, which is a nice little size 2 spinner. So this would be, yeah, it's 4 gram, so this should be well within the bait caster range. I've never chucked a spinner out with this, but I was getting good hits the last time, so we could try that again. I might be able to lower the brake on this. I think it was a bit heavier. So yeah, I'm going to try chucking out a spinner, see what that does. I did have a clonker in there. same bush that was getting me the bloody last time. But I got this time. Oh, that was a take straight away. Oh, yeah. That was a take. That was a take. I said there was a take. Yeah, of course she would tangle up now. Of course she would tangle up now. Oh, fish on. Oh, yes. That feels amazing on this. It's very light on this though. No. I got no control. Where is it? Oh, I might have lost it. Oh no, lovely little trout. And over the rocks and off it goes. My fault. Alright, so I need to up the drag on that, but that was a fish. Right, so we were getting some good hits on that little silver spinner, but just changed to a little minnowy kind of thing. So I reckon I can see all the bait fish here. That's what they're going to be kind of feeding on. So got a little Labogacia tormentor. Let's see if that does the trick. I've had a little battery change up as well, so we'll just have a little break on the side, and then we'll get back out there, see if that catches the attention of anything. I don't just want to catch trout, and I feel like if I stick to a spinner, that's all I'm going to catch, other than the odd grayling. But I don't know if there's much else in here other than trout and grayling, so it'd be interesting to see if anything does go for it. Right, yeah, let's go. Oh, can't pull. Oh, fish on. I'm not losing this one. On the trout. Oh, just on the drag of it. Oh, yeah, on a little lure. I've never caught a trout on a lure like that before, so that's cool. I wonder how the net's going to be. Some line out, keep the tension on, try not to bully him too much. Yeah, got a trout. That's a nice trout as well, happy with that. Woohoo, that's a decent trout on a lure. Yeah. Beautiful little thing. Lovely colours. Any marking? No. I think that is, I don't know if that is a wild eel or stocky. No red markings on him, but he's got beautiful underbelly. He's almost ready to go, I think, but we'll give him a couple more minutes because I always like to make sure. So there we have it. I've caught my first fish on a BFS setter. A lovely, lovely brown trout. So that's the first fish to full prey. Absolutely gorgeous little stunner. Put up a good fight and smashed that lure. He wants to go. I have rested him up for 5 minutes to make sure. Yeah, just measure him, see how big he is. He's not a monster, but it feels like it on the BFS, I have to admit. Yeah, so, oh, steady, don't want to move. So, oh, right on the map. So he's just over. That's another 30 centimetre fish. Really happy with that. Yeah, it's getting released. Just gonna rest him up for another couple of minutes to make sure. Right, I'm gonna call you Jim Bob. Yeah, Jim Bob is ready to go. He is raring to go. Right, yeah, off he goes. I don't think he's just rested there. Yeah, he's shot off, he has, like a lightning bolt. Bye, Jim Bob. Oh, happy with that. It's a little bait fish there. So, about an hour and a half into the session. Oh, we're on again. Did you see that? They're coming out of nowhere now. I didn't strike into that and my drag was way too loose. But yeah, this little minnow's like doing the trick. It's absolutely crushed that trout before. Oh, he's tangled me up right good. I can't believe that. So I just turned my camera back on and fish straight away. They're here. Yeah, I tried the spinner, that didn't really work. They weren't really interested in that little spinner bait. But these little this little minnow, actually just saw then, crushing it. Oh, we get another one. That was epic. But yeah, really impressed with this rod. I think it's me that's spooled it like a noddy. Like, it just chucks them little lures. We're on again. Yeah, we're on. Look. Is that a grayling or something? I don't know. Is that what a grayling? No, that's another little trout. But yeah, this little minnow, they're absolutely crushing it. Oh, is he foul hooked? Oh, he is now. Let's get you out, let's get you out, let's get you out, let's get you out. Ah, oh, poor little dude. No, he's not foul hooked, he was just, there we go. Another little trout. Little baby one. Let's get him back in. I'm not going to measure that one. Off he goes. Look, that was just how many 2 casts with that little minnow. Absolutely crushed it. Try again. Great fun. Yeah, this BFS rod, it's been christened now. It's got a thirst for the trout. Yeah, I absolutely love it. It's so much fun. The fish, it takes a bit of getting used to, even compared to a normal bait caster. But I just can't believe how fast it chucks out. Like, that lure is only about 2 gram. That is a tiny thing, and the distance, unreal, absolutely unreal. Okay, so I haven't gone for the single hook. I remember I had one of these and I caught on this the last time. It was like a little Aragosea, I don't know, 4 gram spinner, but it's kind of interesting because it's got a bit of black and red and it's got the shine. So hoping this will get my last fish and I can go home and eat my food, have a beer, and see my family. Let's do it. Oh, right time. Hooked into another fish. Cast over there. He was hiding. Feels a bit bigger. I don't know what it is though. Oh, is it another trout? Where's silvery? Oh, we go. That could be a grayling. Yeah, it's a grayling. That's a welcome surprise. Grayling on a spinner. Something you don't really get every day. Oh. Oh. Lovely grayling, just resting him up in the swim. I wasn't expecting that. I didn't catch late. Well, last time I caught a grayling on the spinner, I just can't believe it's happened again. Just resting him up in the current. Because these fish do wear themselves out. They go berserk like, yeah, trout. It's a lovely fish though. I do love. You can't beat that fin, can you? That fin is something else. Beautiful fish. Oh. Well, lovely bit of fishing that. I've just rested him up. I'm going to try to swim off now. Yeah. What a lovely fish that is. Lovely grayling. I've got so much respect for you. Hang on mate, hang on. And that lovely fin. You cannot beat that fin. The lady in the stream, right, I think, yeah, this one's ready to get back. It is kicking and yeah. Hellish good way to end the session. Well happy with that. Right, the fish is nice and rested. Let's get him back to his fishy pals. Got this. Are you ready? Yeah, there you go. Bye bye and away. Oh, what a beautiful day it's been. Well, I just yeeted that lure. I don't rate them too much, to be fair. Might be a bit better for hanging in streams and fast flows maybe, but yeah, casting it about wasn't great. So I just got the little crankbait-y thing again. See if anything likes this lure. Yeah. Yeah, so little crankbait. See what damage it can do. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Yeah, so you got fish on again. So the little crankbaits work. That's good to know. What is it? Drag's really finicky on this though. It's the only... Is it a chub? No, it's a trout. I thought it was a... Oh yeah. So crankbaits work, spinners work, that. Whatever lure. Yes! Gotcha. Nice trout. Well, yeah, do it over there. Nice. Yeah. So that's why I love these, like, he is ready to go. Excuse me, my children have been committing biological warfare against me for the past 3 weeks. Thank you, nursery. But yeah, we caught that one on a crankbait. Never used that lure before, just chucking it about as a tester. And it's paid off. We got a beautiful brown trout for it. Look at that. Beautiful summer colours. Absolute joy to catch. So yeah, always worth it. Good job on that there, isn't it? Yeah, always worth to try something new, because might pay off. Right, let's get him back. Yeah, he is raring to go. Yes, there he is. He's already wants to swim. Okay. Oh, then Mr. Brownie. Another good clonker. Is he gonna go? And off he goes. See you later, buddy. Beautiful little fish on the crankbait. Yep, really impressed at BFS system. It's been not like a red letter day, but definitely hasn't been a bad day. Thank you very much, Mr. Crankbait. Fish on. Chucked it to that crevice over there and got another fish. No one falls prey to the crankbait. Jumping around like mental. Just after I filmed them duck eggs. What we got? Yeah, another trout. It's been trout mad today. I'm starting to think all that's in this river is trout and grayling. Yeah, there he is. Oh. Oh no, he's death rolled. I guess to sort him out on there. Not going to mess about with this one too much because he's taking a bit of a battering. Right, let's get that lice off him. Yeah, horrible things. And yeah, lovely little trout again. Ooh. Off he goes. Oh. This is going to be my last cast. We'll have one more after. On the last cast. Yes! Woohoo! Oh, on the last cast. Beautiful. What is it? What is it? What is it? What's it? Oh, it's pulling. What is it? What's big? It's taking drag, whatever it is. It's got fight in it. Not that much. Come on, what is it? I think it's a big trout. Oh. It's a big trout. Oh. What is it? That's the thing, I don't even know what it is. This one's a drag, is it? You can see it over there. What is it? I think it could be a Grayling the way it's pull it this way. Oh, it's hurting me out. I'll pull him back this way a bit. Reel down. Reel down. Keep that tension on. Reel down. What is it? What is it? Well, plenty of fight left in it, whatever it is. Oh, don't lose this, because I think this could be the best fish of the day. There it is. Yeah, I think it's a Grayling. Is it? Whoa. No, it's a trout. Oh, too much line out. There we go. Gotcha. Yeah, lovely trout. Nice. I definitely think I earned that one as my last fish. Right, let's get him out of the lip there. Oh, I forget, trout have teeth. Alright, giving him a good rest. Look, he's a lively little fellow. Next to that one, is that another 30 centimetre? No, it's over 30 centimetre. It's the biggest one of the day, just shy of 34, so 33 centimetre fish. Lovely. Right. Oh, it's been absolutely cracking day on the river today. New rod, definitely giving it christened, and this fish gives us a hell of a fight. For 33 centimetre, I thought it was going to be bigger than that, the way it was fighting me, but lovely little brown trout to show for it. What a beautiful fish. Yeah, I think we should get this one back. He's nice and rested. So, yeah. Well, gave me a hell of a battle on the BFS rod, so I think this one's ready to go, to be honest. Yeah, he looks like he's there. There he goes. Well, slinking away. Yep, he's off. He's gone. Bye bye. Oh, we'll wait the end of the day. Oh, what a session on the canal, the river. So yeah, I've got trout and Grayling all day, but you know what, I had a brilliant day. Christened a new rod, so that's the Histar Solomon 2. Experimented with a load of baits, that paid off. I've never really used these lures before. I caught some cracking fish, that last one, literally on the last cast. Underneath this bridge, and then gave me a hell of a fight. I thought it was going to be a right clonker. It was 33 centimetres. I'm not turning my nose up in it, but to be honest, I thought it was going to be a lot bigger than that. But no, hellish good way to end the day. And yeah, I think I'm going to take this rod on the canal next and do some more BFS stuff, because that was hellish good fun. A hell of a good day. Really chuffed. So yeah, till next time, I'll see you on the canal. Bye bye.